just for fun. Oh, it smells lemony.
Can I taste it?
Yeah, if you want to. All of us got to start with our addiction somewhere. Hey tribe, so today we're gonna wash the bikes. I waited till the sun went down where it's not as hot outside, but got the Beamer. So we're gonna wash the BMW and we're gonna wash the Sportster. So for the BMW, I have S100 Total Cycle Cleaner because it's worked really well. Get the bike wet, spray it on everything you can get onto, let it sit for about 5 minutes and then spray it off. For the Harley, edit that out. For the Harley, I have a denim paint cleaner because this is a gloss paint and it has plastic parts. The Harley has metal skins and a denim paint job, so this is supposed to be, because the denim paint job doesn't have a shellac or a coat on the top of it, this is supposed to be more gentle on it, even though I ride it on the road and it gets hit with rocks. And anyway, hey, that's a different story. So we're going to go ahead and wet her all down, all the nooks and crannies. Open up the air conditioning wind jammers here. You definitely want to get it wet first, especially to cool off the parts if you've been riding it, if they're hot, because you don't want to spray this cleaner onto hot motor parts, because it's a cleaner. All cleaners are either acidic or caustic to some degree, and that's how it gets all the dirt off. And if you spray it on any hot surfaces, it multiplies that acidic or caustic effect. So make sure you get everything wet first, cool it off. Never spray a never spray a hot motorcycle, especially the exhaust. Bad things will happen. Front to back. Top to bottom.
It's really narrow, which I just did. It's okay because I caught it.
The S100 you can get off of Amazon. The bike spray I'm pretty sure you can get off Amazon too, or your local Harley dealer. I'm not a big fan of going to commercial dealers for stuff. I like to get it from other places to give them a chance, small business owners. But in this case for Harley, I make an exception because my dealer, like I'm a druggie, yeah. But my dealer, they're a bunch of nice guys. I go down there and talk to them even if I'm not in the mood to buy a motorcycle, because they're just really great guys. So I'll buy from them and I'll try to get parts from them if I can. Obviously, if they can't give me something at a good price, if I pay a little more, I'm fine with that. I'd rather buy from a person than buy from online if I can help it for things like this, just to help people out. They have a business to run. Like I said, there are a lot of great guys. Alright, so while that's soaking in, we're going to wet down the Harley. And by the time I finish wetting the Harley, because it ain't so big, it's time to rinse off the other one. You gotta be kidding me.
Okay.
There's a burnt license in the exhaust that happens to be my license, strangely enough. That is weird. That is really weird. Okay, here, child, take that. Stick it in your pocket. Of all the weird, what the? That is very strange.
Where was that?
It was stuffed down in the exhaust.
Where?
Right here in the exhaust, between the exhaust bracket. That is so weird. Okay, well, weirder things have happened to me. Can't remember when, but I have the weirdest life. Weird that I dropped the license, but weirder that it sat there on the exhaust for that long. Well, okay, anyway. Hey, let's wrench off the beamer. Get her to open her mouth. Say ah.
Yeah, you know, I seriously just don't understand why you wanted me to wear waterproof shoes for this.
I have my reasons.
There's plenty of parents that are so proud of their kids, they keep showing them pictures. I feel like you do that with your bikes.
Well, if I had kids, I'd show pictures of them. Oh, there's you. Yeah. Still seems strange you gotta wash your motorcycle to find your driver's license. Not sure
Okay.
what to make of that.
How did you not know where this was?
Well, I mean, you don't use...
Don't you keep this in your wallet?
Yeah, it's not like I go clubbing all the time and I gotta pull my driver's license out all the time.
Well, I don't know.
I promise you I don't go clubbing. And if I did, I'd probably look old enough to get entry without showing my driver's license. Maybe. Can I see some proof of ID? Here's my dad bod. Oh, okay, you can come in. If you were under 21 with a body like this, they'd probably let you drink because you need to. They'd say, you poor guy, here, have a beer. Oh, you've already had a few. Sorry. Alright, so this is the bike that I got from me, just for fun. Oh, it smells lemony.
Can I taste it?
Yeah, if you want to. All of us got to start with our addiction somewhere. So this is the bike that I'm going to teach the nerd to ride on. I mean my child. My clone. Got a bike in the works to buy for her to set up. We'll see how that works out. If we can get that bike. But in the meantime, she can learn all her clutching and throttle control on this one. Even if we can get the other bike, it's gonna probably be a few months before we can get it road ready. In the meantime, I can get her training with this one.
It smells like an apple baby. It's got the...
Smells like a Jolly Rancher.
I'm getting a totally different scent from this. I smell like apples and cinnamon and like cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls. Okay.
Like apples and cinnamon rolls.
Okay.
Which together it smells kind of like an apple baby. Your viewers will totally know what that is, right?
Apple babies?
Apple babies, yeah.
Sure.
A baby made of apple.
Yeah.
Hey, you're the one who named it.
All my cannibal friends.
Bah, 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 bah.
I don't think I missed anything.
Fun fact about you. You absolutely adore small dogs.
I do. I do. I love small dogs, big dogs, fat dogs, skinny dogs.
I was being sarcastic.
And hot dogs. Oh no, I like small dogs. I don't like yippy dogs.
That is small dogs.
I don't like the breast protection dogs, the ones that you know, these rich ladies will shove in their boobs and they bark at everybody because they're afraid somebody will steal the boobs. I hate those dogs.
You know, purse dogs,
No,
not.
because our dog weighs like 90 pounds.
I think more than 90 pounds.
She's probably about 90. Alright, let's try to dry this one out.
I'm pretty sure you can add like an extra 100 pounds just because of all that fur she has. How dense it is.
Get the soap off of this one. Alright, we're ready to dry this one out. Speaking of dogs, Harley will shake itself off. One standing up with the water will dump off of it. There's sponges over there.
It never hurts nobody.
Okay.
I don't think it matters.
It is smoking. Alright, go lay down. Alright, we've got both of the bikes cleaned up. I'm not quite sure which did better, the Harley Denim Cleaner or the SNS. I'm partial to the SNS, but I'll see. Once it dries, I'll be able to tell how clean it is. Until the water spots come off, it's kind of hard to tell. I already know probably the satin paint cleaner probably is less strong, so if it doesn't get it perfectly clean, I'm fine with that. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as I get all the mud off of her and let her last just a little longer. All right, so this is Rainy Rider and my clone Raindrop saying goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Say goodbye, Raindrop. Say plop plop.
Drip drop. Ta-da.
All right, so we put the stretch seat, the two upper, the alligator bump seat on it for the Raindrop, and she can actually flat foot it now. How's that feel?
I'm not gonna burn my leg on this side anymore.
I say that's a win. All right, say goodbye, Raindrop.
Goodbye, Raindrop.